Hello students, today we shall study about tests on hardened concrete. These are the types of test. It is categorized into destructive test and non-destructive test. In destructive test we have compression test, tensile test, flexure or bending test. In non-destructive type we have rebound hammer method, penetration test, pull-out test, resonant frequency method, pulse velocity method. Let us discuss about the destructive test. First we shall take up the compression test. The compressive strength of a concrete is defined as the ability of the concrete to withstand specific compressive forces. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್, ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ವಿ perform compression test. For compression test, we need either cube or a cylindrical mold. Cube of dimension 15 by 15 by 15 centimeter dia, or we can use cylinders of dimension 15 centimeter dia and 30 centimeter height. In the figure you can observe the cube mold is placed in compression testing machine. Here a cylindrical mold is placed. The compression strength of concrete depends on many factors such as water cement ratio, cement strength, quality of concrete material, quality control during production of concrete, etc. Generally, cubes and cylinders are used for compressive strength of concrete. Generally, concrete is prepared for required grades and respective mix proportions. The procedure goes like this. We have to grease the molds, place the concrete in 4 layers by giving 35 tamping in each layer in case of cube sample, 25 tamping in case of cylindrical sample using standard tamping rod. We have to level the top surface and it has to be left for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we have to remove the mold and place the concrete sample in the water bath for curing. The curing temperature should be 27 plus or minus 2 degrees. We have to cast 3 samples of a particular type of concrete mix. We have to create 3 samples. These 3 samples are tested after 7 days, 14 days and 28 days. The procedure of testing: we have to place the concrete mold, cube specimen like this and cylindrical specimen like this. We have to apply the load gradually at a rate of 140 kg per centimeter square per minute. At a rate of 140 kg per centimeter square per minute. Then at some load the concrete specimen is going to fail. That load is calculated. Then the compressive strength is calculated by a formula. Compressive strength is equal to load divided by area will give you the compressive strength of the concrete. So this is about the compression test. Next we shall move on to tensile test. Actually, concrete is very strong in compression but very weak in tension. For performing tensile strength, We have two different methods. One is direct tensile strength test. Another one is indirect method. Indirect method, we have to pull the concrete specimen by providing grips. So practically we don't have any such equipments for direct tension test of concrete. Hence, we have to adopt indirect tensile strength test. Indirect tensile test. In indirect tensile strength test, we have split tensile test. So we shall look into how the split tensile test is performed. The tensile strength of concrete is obtained by applying a compressive force along the length of the concrete cylinder. So, in compression test, the concrete cylinder is placed vertically. Here, in split tensile test, you can observe the concrete cylinder is placed horizontally. The cylinder specimen dimension is diameter having 150 mm and its length is 300 mm, or we can say 15 centimeter by 300 centimeter length. This can be tested using compression testing machine or universal testing machine. The concrete sample has to be placed horizontally, and at the rate of 1.2 to 1.4 MPa per minute, we have to apply the rate of loading. After applying at this rate, the concrete specimen is going to fail, or the cylindrical mode is going to split into two halves. We have to note down the load reading, that is P. P is load at which specimen fails. The resultant split tensile strength is calculated using this formula. FST is equal to 2P divided by pi LD, where P is load at which specimen fails, L is length of the specimen, D is diameter of the specimen. Next, we shall move on to flexural test. Flexural strength of concrete is an indirect method of calculating tensile strength of concrete. The dimensions of the beam are of two kinds. One is 150 mm by 150 mm by 700 mm length. Another one is 100 mm by 100 mm by 500 mm length. The flexural strength is done by central point loading or 2-point loading system like this. You can observe these supports given. The distance between the two supports should be 600 mm for 150 mm specimen and 400 mm for 100 mm specimen. You can observe 2-point loading is applied here and 1-point load is applied here. We call this as central point loading method. This one is third point loading method. Here, in case of 2-point loads, the rollers are spaced at 200 mm for 150 mm specimen and 133 mm in case of 100 mm specimen. The rate of loading is 400 kg per minute for 150 mm specimen and 180 kg per minute for 100 mm specimen. We have to note down the load at fracture. The fracture is going to take place, say, at some location, say from here to here. At this point, we have to note the distance from the fracture to the support.